Aline.
Hi, Aubrey. Good to see you.
Good to see you too, Aline. So, how is the Chinese economy doing last year?
Yes, Aubrey, in short, the fourth quarter is beyond expectation, but the full year is slightly below expectation. Asia Pacific markets were mixed on Monday's trading as China's economy grew faster than expected in the fourth quarter 2021. Between October to December 2021, Aubrey, China's GDP rose 4% from a year ago, surpassing Reuters poll predicting a 3.6% increase. But Chinese economy grew by 8.1% in full year 2021, slightly below expectation. That's why we see on Monday's trading, Shanghai Nikkei Shenzhen ASX 200 were closed higher, while Kospi and Hang Seng were down. The session in Asia followed a mixed finish in the US last Friday, where Wall Street notched a second straight negative week to start the year. On Monday's trading, the US market are closed for Martin Luther King Jr.'s Day, Aubrey.
Okay, and that's for China. And how is the Indonesian market performance for today?
Yes, Aubrey. So Jakarta Composite Index closed Monday's trading lower by 0.72% to 6,645. Indonesia trade surplus narrowed more than expected in December 2021 to 1.02 billion US dollar. Reuters poll had expected a 3.13 billion US dollar surplus in December last year. All sectoral indexes were down in JCI except for IDX Energy, which rose 0.49%. IDX Techno fell 4.27%. IDX Basic Materials hit 1.69%, while infrastructure slipped 1.05%. Let's look at the LQ45 top losers on Monday's trading. PTPP fell 7% to 930. Wijaya Wika was down 6.64% to 1,055. E-commerce share Bukalapak hit another new low today, 366 after a 6.63% drop today. If we look at Monday's top losers, two construction companies were on the list. Actually, today we saw 4 construction shares hitting auto rejection limit following a sharp decline. Other than PTPP, which fell 7%, and Wijaya Karya or Wika, which fell 6.64%, we have Waskita Karya WSKT, which slipped 6.35% to 590. Adikarya Adi fell 6.74% to 830. Some factors were behind this sharp decline, Aubrey. The Fed tightening policy risk and its spillover effect, which will lead to increasing the cost for financing infrastructure projects they're working on. Besides, the increasing Omicron cases in Indonesia may dampen the recovery of infrastructure sector in the country. The latest news, the president director of Waskita Karya, Adikarya, and Hutama Karya were summoned for questioning by the Corruption Eradication Commission, or the KPK, as witnesses in a corruption case they're investigating on Monday. Now let's move on to check the LQ45 top gainers. Aubrey, we have property company Pakuwon Jati or PWON rose 2.74% to 450. Coal share Indo Tambang Raya Megah ITMG jumped 2.05% to 21,125. Bank Negara Indonesia BBNI closed higher by 1.41% to 7,200. Monday's transaction value declined to 9.78 trillion rupiah, below the average daily transaction in 2021. Foreign net buy reached 283 trillion rupiah in regular market, with BBRI, BBNI, and ADRO on the top list of foreign net buy. Back to you in the studio, Aubrey.
Thank you so much, Aline Wiratmaja, for your report. Stay healthy and stay safe.